I've been thinking a lot about animal testing and all the researchers that tell us that it's necessary in order to come up with new medicines, and the public who believes that it's necessary to make sure that medicines are safe. The problem with that thought process is the data just doesn't bear that out. It costs over $2 billion, over a decade of research, and even after all that, we still have a 90 to 95% failure rate in humans, even after all the animal trials. After all the animal trials have been done. And the researchers like to tell us, okay, well, gosh, we got to use animals because they're genetically similar to us and we need to have a good model, we got to use a whole living organism. Yeah, okay, except it's the wrong whole living organism. Let's talk about genetic similarities for a bit, all right? It's really funny because on Pfizer's own website, they tell us that we share 60% of our DNA with a banana. And we also share 60% with a chicken, with Rama, right here. We share 60% with Rama. Rama, we're a chicken. It's nuts to think that, forget about the ethics for a second, but it's nuts to think that because of genetic similarity, that's a reason that we should continue to experiment on these animals. Even though 90 to 95% of the drugs actually fail in human clinical trials. It's upsetting, isn't it? Krishna's upset, Rama's upset, everyone's upset. We're all upset about that. Follow along. We're going to continue to debunk this myth. Animal testing is not necessary. Animal testing is a fallacy, and we're going to break this down because it gives us the illusion of safety in drugs.